Hey guys, today we're going to show you an element that we modeled about 10 or 11 years ago from scratch. But today we're going to show you the process of taking it through scan data to modeling. Here you can see we're going through the scan process. You can see the element off in the distance there, and we have real-time scan data. Here we're doing the back of the element so that we can bring the two sides together. And finally, here we go. Here's the finished model after we've cleaned it up. Up in the upper left-hand corner, you can see that we're starting to smooth that element out. I've sped it up so that you don't have to go through the labor with me of cleaning this up. But we're starting to take this element and take the bumps out of it, and then we'll come back and start sculpting and veining and adding detail back in. See how we put veining back in there? The brush, we're using a pen that gives us the ability to sculpt with pressure. So the more pressure that's added to the pen, the deeper and the more definition is put into the shape or the element. So now we're going to show you, once you have that model, if you want to scale or change the shape, grab an element. Say you want a couple leaves or a section of this. You can use there's the solid piece, and you can see I've generated a surface that I'm going to use to cut that. And so then from there I can take that piece and I can bring it up and I can mirror it to create an element. I can take elements from that. You can see here I brought the two together, and now above you can see how we're scaling it. We can scale it one direction, the other. You wouldn't want to try to do that within the modeling program because it's going to deform. You want to do it evenly. This element here is called a cage edit, and you'll see these control points that pop up, and the tighter they are together, the more that they're going to deform it. But they're set pretty far apart right now, and you'll see how it grabs those elements. I've just grabbed the top two, so the bottom part of this carving is going to stay where it's at. The upper part is going to change, and so there I've gone back to the original form. It's a great tool because you can evenly, without distortion, change the shape of something. So there's our element. So if you like what you see, we will be posting more stuff showing you what we're doing here at Designer Grains. Thanks a lot.